Right, as promised, here's a picture of or a little video of the van here. You can see down the side here, good condition. Little view of the dash. The seats all seem to be in good condition. This also got a divider between the front and the back. Go down the side of the vehicle. There's the wheels. Here's the back of the vehicle. Could use a bath. And then down the side here again. Again, give you a picture of that divider between the cargo and the driver's area. The inside of the vehicle. Piece of cardboard comes free.